All right, so I know y'all seen it right in the title, okay? But I kid you not, we are in Santa and Mrs. Claus's house, and we're sitting here about ready to talk to Miss Claus. So I know we're late, but they were busy. They were busy delivering presents everywhere. So, we had to get in here after they were done to take care of their house and stuff. We're working towards next Christmas. We're trying to get on the good list this year. But look, check us out. Kids you not. Santa and Mrs. Claus. Right here, look. I got Mrs. Claus with me. So look, tell us a little bit about it. What do you all do this for the kids?
It's absolutely for the kids. We love seeing the smiles on their faces. Seeing their face lights up.
Do people reach out to you
Yes.
all and ask you all to come?
Yes.
Because I know you all have got a huge schedule on your plate trying to get everywhere.
Yeah.
All over the world.
All over the world. Christmas by the river, every Thanksgiving weekend. See hundreds of kids there. Then we go to different churches. We go to homes and visit with kids that maybe couldn't make it to the Christmas by the river.
Did me and Tom, were we on the nice list this year? Or was we a little borderline?
A little borderline, but I think you all made it.
Well, we're definitely in your all's home. We're in here doing what? Your all's complete bathroom.
Yes.
We're doing life-proof floor, what's going to be throughout your whole
The
house.
whole house.
But right now, we're just doing kitchen, living room, and down the hallway.
Yes.
We got 2 days to go. And we've been working really hard to make up for a little bit naughty last year. And I think we're already there, and now we're trying to put forth some good for this year coming up.
I think what you all have done so far, you're definitely on the good list this coming year.
Good. You're at time, we're on the good list. So look, we just wanted to bring some smiles to your all's faces today. We hope this helps you all at home. But yeah, they are some very entertaining folks. They go around, they help a lot of kids throughout the year. And you recently just retired.
I retired a year ago, and Santa just retired a week ago.
Man, so isn't that something? So they just, we had a similar scenario a couple of jobs ago. They were celebrating 45 years of marriage. So it was almost the day of their celebration. We were finishing the next day.
Wow.
So here it is. You've been retired now. You've been on our list for... You've been on our list.
Year.
Oh, we've been on your all's list. You've been on our list for about a year.
That's why this past Christmas you were on the ragged edge, because we've been on your list for a year.
Well, we got you all in order, and
Yeah.
we're
Yes.
finally here, and it
Yes.
timed out perfect.
Yes, because we were gone
You all were
delivering
gone.
presents.
You all had to get presents everywhere.
Yeah.
So it timed out perfect.
Yes.
And we were happy, they're happy. But we got like 2 days to go, today and tomorrow. So far, what do you think? Your new floor, the shower, everything going
Beautiful.
on. Beautiful.
Absolutely beautiful. They do excellent work. I'm here to tell you.
That's
Excellent
coming from Mrs. Claus. So you can take that to the bank. I mean, it's Miss Claus. So I'm assuming Santa is already out and about.
He's out and about checking out kids already. He's
Already?
all year long. He's watching the kids.
And now that he's retired, he's really,
He can really
watching them. So y'all
Yes.
better be on your best behavior. You hear that, Tom? You better be on your best behavior. All right. Well, thank you so much for taking your time,
Thank
Miss
you
Claus.
all.
We greatly appreciate it, and we hope this helps us out on our list this year.
Yes.
Because there's a couple things we're wanting this year. We want
Okay.
a couple new tools.
Do you need a new saw, big saw? or
Yeah, we
something?
want some
Tile
new tools.
saw?
Yeah, something like that. Be just fine. We'll keep y'all updated as we progress through, but we're getting the floor knocked out today. We're going to be wrapping up tomorrow. So we just wanted to bring you all in and give you all a chance to meet Santa and Miss Claus. So there we go. We're going to tackle this living room in here. Getting closer. We're going to get this hardwood out here. So this is what it's going to look like. Already got the kitchen done. Pretty floor. Used to have a bunch of squeaking in here. About 100 and something screws later, now we don't hear the squeaking, so we got a bunch to do in here as well. So look, check this out. Come right out of the house, man. Coming down these stairs. Got right here. And look, I mean, just slipped. Got all over my backside and everything. What a way to start the day.